Yo, what's good? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy. Up next, man. Don't come back with another video now. Hey, man, look. Satin line beanie. I got one more left, man. I got one more left for the subscriber. You feel me? So if you a subscriber out there, you always wanted to try it. You watch me on your TV, on your phone, on your laptop, and you want to try this satin line beanie. This is your last chance to actually get it because this is the last one. All right, we officially sold out of every color. You know what I'm saying, except for this one. You feel me? We got one more left, and it's still 50% off. You know what I'm saying? This whole drop has been 50% off. So if you miss this drop, after this drop, it's gonna be full price. You feel me? So after this one, it's gonna be full price. You feel me? So if you don't know what a satin line beanie is, all it is, man, it's a do-rag slash beanie inside of a do-rag slash bonnet inside of a beanie. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going to Walmart. We ain't going to Walmart with no bonnet on. We not going to Walmart with no do-rag on. And if you are going to Walmart with your do-rag on, the bitch tight as hell. You know, especially if you got hair. But if you got hair, man, if you ain't even got no hair, if you got waves, it don't matter, bro. The silk inside protects your hair. You know what I'm saying? It protects your hair. You know what I'm saying? And it's a snug fit. I wear these almost in every one of my last videos for the last 2 weeks. I wear one of these, and you can see how I fit on 3 years worth of dreads. You know what I'm saying? So getting straight into this video, I appreciate all of y'all for purchasing the satin line beanie, for selling out the satin line beanie. We got one more left. So make sure you hit up either at UpNext Lifestyle or at upnextmalyt on Instagram. Hit me up right now before anybody else do, because it's only one more left. So all it takes is one more person to order it, and then you out of luck. You feel me? So if you're thinking about that, make sure you take action now. All right, getting straight into this video, basically on why I haven't got a retwist. I haven't got a retwist, and I do these I ain't gonna cap. I be doing this every time I'm like either about to get a retwist or thinking about getting it. Like, the thing is with me, bro, and I know I preach, hey man, if you got dreads, man, get your retwist 2 months, between 2 and 3 to 4 months. You know what I'm saying? Get your retwist between that time span. Now, it really depends on, first off, where you are in your dread journey. Okay, and I'll make a whole nother separate video about dread journeys and stuff like that. But it depends on where you are in your dread journey. First off, it depends on what type of hair you got. I got 4C hair, so my curl pattern is very tight. You know what I'm saying? I got 4B or C. I got one of those. Right? So my curl pattern is very tight. And so I can go a minute without getting a retwist. I could go a minute without getting a retwist, and my hair can still be forming. You feel me? It's still gonna be getting locked. It's still gonna be locked. You know what I'm saying? Getting locked up type shit. You know what I'm saying? So getting locked tight. So I ain't got a retwist in about, I want to say 3 to 4 months. I want to say around that time, because I really don't be focusing on that. Y'all know I've been rocking the satin line beanie, and the satin line beanie has been keeping my head comfortable. You know what they say, good product sell itself. You know what I'm saying? Good product sell itself. We sold out of satin line beanies in the summertime. You understand what I'm saying? So good product sell itself. It ain't even too much I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too much I gotta do. It ain't too much I gotta say. It's good product gonna sell itself. Yeah, I made my videos on the good product, but that's like you going to shop at Walmart and they don't have the product on the front shelves, or they don't have posters and stuff like that, like about the product. Like, of course you're gonna have to advertise your own product, wear your own product. That's just how it is. You feel me? But overall, once I present you the product, it's up to you to buy or purchase the product. And people been eating that product up in the summertime. You understand what I'm saying? So just know what we gonna do. I ain't gonna talk too much, but yeah. So that's why I really have not been focused on getting a retwist, anything like that, man. The satin line beanie has keeping my head comfortable. You know what I'm saying? It's been keeping my hair comfortable. But if you just want to look closely at the tight curl pattern that I do have, I mean, it's there. You know what I'm saying? It's the curls, the new form curls, the new growth, and the curls are there. You know what I'm saying? 4 months worth. You know what I'm saying? A lot of y'all don't even, a lot of y'all got the little afro right that I got. You feel me? On the bottom of my 3 years of dreads. You feel me? So when I do get this retwist, man, it's gonna be over with. I already got the best dreads on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I already got the best dreads on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? When I get my retwist and my 2-strand twist, I'm only gonna get better. You know what I'm saying? It's only gonna raise the bar for these niggas. You know what I'm saying? So I don't compare myself to nobody. I compare myself to myself, my past self, and I keep it pushing. You know what I'm saying? I say I got the best because I'm only looking at myself. I'm not looking at other niggas. I'm reacting to other niggas. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah, his shit fire, his shit cool. Like, but at the same time, I'm not comparing myself to other niggas. Like, I don't compare myself to anyone. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really impossible to compare myself to anybody. It's really impossible to compare you with anybody because of the simple fact. It's like, how you gonna compare yourself when that's like comparing Steph Curry to LeBron James. You understand what I'm saying? You can't compare two different positions. Now you can compare Rajon Rondo with Steph Curry. They both play the point guard position. But the point that I'm trying to make is you really can't compare yourself. You know what I'm saying? You really can't even compare Steph Curry to Rajon Rondo because it's two different areas. It's so much that goes into comparison. You feel me? It's really I feel like comparison is like the death of joy, of happiness. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, look what he doing. You know what I'm saying? I ain't doing this, I ain't doing that. Like, you got to focus on yourself. Anything that you want to do in life, you got to focus on yourself. You know what I'm saying? You can't be like, oh, look what he doing. That's why I don't be on social media like that. And when I do be on social media, I'll be promoting my products or I'll be promoting my service. Speaking of service, I got the Patreon Dread Journey link in the description. I will be more active on that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna be seeing these next couple videos. Boom, 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 boom. Dread Journey, Dread Journey. That's all y'all gonna be seeing these next couple videos. But yeah, man, I just been chilling, bro. It ain't really too bad for my hair. My hair really used to this right now, so it ain't too bad for my hair that I'm going 3-4 months without getting a retwist. I mean, I got good hair. You know what I'm saying? 4B, 4C, whatever. Tight curl pattern. You know what I'm saying? Like, and shout out to Gunther the Great. Shout out to Great Locks. You know what I'm saying? I've been learning more about dreadlocks and stuff like that because usually I just go through the journey. But now I'm actually learning about this type stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's why me going through the journey presented me with this product. You know what I'm saying? Satin line beanie. You feel me? But me actually me actually growing knowledge with the dread journey and stuff like that, that's gonna make me bring out more products for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So we can just take over the whole market. You feel me? But if y'all new to this, trying to make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, man, one more satin beanie left. 50% off. This the last one. This the last one that's 50% off. After this one, it's going right back up to full price. And at UpNext Lifestyle or at upnextmalyt, make sure y'all hit me up on Instagram. Hey, satin line beanie, I need it. You feel me? Go cop, go shop. Don't live up under no rock. Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and peace.